Ever wondered how Maruti Suzuki prepares cars for unexpected hazards on the road? It's by putting them through numerous destructive and indestructive stringent tests. At its state-of-the-art crash testing facility, a car's safety features are closely evaluated through multiple crash tests. The dummies used for these tests are carefully calibrated to replicate the impact on actual human beings.
3, 2, 1, start.
The crash is then carried out to study front and side impact on the cars as per Indian regulations. Maruti Suzuki cars combine a safe zone for protecting the passenger compartment and a crushable zone for absorbing impact called the crumple zone. A car undergoes more than 50 crash tests before it is introduced in the market. The impact on dummies, deployment of airbags, damage to seats and all other interior parts are also evaluated very meticulously. By carrying out crash tests regularly, Maruti Suzuki strives to create safer vehicles to counter the uncertainties of driving on the roads.